Welcome to Inside the Process channel. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process.
Our face cream begins with California almonds, rich in vitamin E for skin nourishment.
Fresh almonds are hand-sorted to ensure only the finest quality nuts proceed to processing.
Sorted almonds arrive at our certified manufacturing facility for transformation into skincare ingredients.
Each delivery undergoes strict quality verification before entering our production line.
Automated sizing ensures uniform processing and optimal oil extraction from each almond.
Almonds are thoroughly washed, using purified water to remove any remaining field residue.
Controlled drying prepares almonds for cold press extraction while preserving their natural nutrients.
Cold pressing extracts pure almond oil without chemical solvents, maintaining vitamin E potency for skin care.
Freshly extracted almond oil is immediately transferred to temperature-controlled holding tanks to preserve quality. Premium shea butter from sustainable sources arrives as our next key moisturizing ingredient.
Each batch requires exact measurements of shea butter for consistent moisturizing properties in every jar.
Jojoba oil, closely matching skin's natural sebum, joins our ingredient lineup after thorough documentation.
All ingredients are stored in climate-controlled conditions and tracked digitally for complete traceability. Organic chamomile flowers are examined for purity before extraction of their soothing compounds. Chamomile undergoes gentle water extraction to capture its anti-inflammatory properties for sensitive skin. Centrifugation concentrates the chamomile extract, removing solid particles for a pure, potent ingredient.
Pharmaceutical-grade vitamin E oil adds powerful antioxidant protection to our formulation.
Hyaluronic acid powder is precisely weighed to provide deep skin hydration in our cream. Our cosmetic chemist verifies every ingredient against our proprietary face cream formula before mixing begins. Almond oil forms the base of our cream, pumped into the main mixing tank first. Warmed shea butter blends with almond oil, combining powerful moisturizers at controlled temperature. Jojoba oil joins the base, creating a lightweight yet nourishing oil phase for our cream.
High shear mixing ensures perfect homogenization of our oil phase ingredients.
Ultra-pure water is prepared through deionization, ensuring no mineral interference with our active ingredients.
Chamomile extract enriches our water phase with soothing botanical compounds.
Hyaluronic acid dissolves slowly into the water phase, creating our hydration-binding component. Vitamin E is carefully dosed into the water phase before the final emulsification step. Natural emulsifying wax melts at controlled temperature to bind our oil and water phases.
Emulsifying wax prepares the water phase to accept and bind with oils permanently.
Oil and water phases combine under high shear mixing, creating a stable, luxurious cream emulsion.
Controlled cooling stabilizes the emulsion structure while maintaining ingredient integrity.
Our face cream achieves perfect consistency, rich enough to moisturize, light enough to absorb quickly.
Natural preservatives are precisely measured to ensure product safety while maintaining our clean ingredient commitment.
Preservatives are gently folded into the finished cream, ensuring safe shelf life without harsh chemicals.
Batch samples are collected for comprehensive quality testing before production approval.
pH testing confirms our cream matches skin's natural acidity for optimal comfort and efficacy. Viscosity testing ensures consistent texture and spreadability in every batch we produce. Microscopic analysis verifies emulsion stability and confirms absence of contaminants.
Quality approval releases the batch for filling. Every jar meets our rigorous standards.
Empty jars undergo UV sterilization immediately before filling to ensure absolute hygiene.
Finished cream travels through sterile lines to our precision filling equipment.
Automated filling ensures each jar receives precisely 50 milliliters of face cream.
Vibration removes trapped air, creating a smooth, professional appearance in every jar.
Computer vision verifies proper fill level and cream appearance before capping. Branded caps are prepared for automated application to each approved jar.
Custom labels with complete product information are prepared for application.
Code verification ensures complete traceability from ingredients to finished product. Precision weighing confirms proper fill weight, guaranteeing customers receive full value.
Human inspection adds an extra quality layer, catching any issues automation might miss. Individual boxes are formed from sustainable cardboard, printed with our branding.
Boxes are sealed with food-safe adhesive, maintaining product integrity and tamper evidence.
Metal detection provides final safety verification before products leave the factory.
Individual boxes are grouped into shipping cases of 12 units each. Automated case packing ensures efficient use of space and secure product arrangement.
Each case receives unique identification codes for warehouse tracking and distribution.
Robotic palletizers build stable stacks, maximizing storage density while ensuring transport stability.
Stretch wrapping binds cases into secure unit loads for safe handling.
Pallet labels and corner protection ensure safe delivery to distribution centers.
Forklifts transport finished pallets to our temperature-controlled warehouse for inventory.
Products move smoothly through our facility, following strict safety protocols.
Vertical racking maximizes storage capacity while maintaining easy access for order fulfillment.
Barcode scanning tracks exact pallet locations in real-time inventory systems.
Digital inventory management ensures accurate stock levels and efficient order fulfillment.
Customer orders trigger automated picking instructions for warehouse staff.
Order fulfillment begins with precise pallet retrieval using digital guidance. Each outbound pallet undergoes verification to ensure order accuracy before loading. Pre-shipment inspection confirms products maintained integrity during warehouse storage. Shipping labels direct products to retail distribution centers nationwide. Pallets are staged by delivery route for optimized truck loading and fuel efficiency. Load bars secure pallets, preventing shifting during transportation. Loading verification ensures accurate shipment quantities and proper weight distribution. Final pallet placement completes the load, ready for transport to retail partners. Cargo straps provide additional securing, ensuring safe delivery across all road conditions. Final inspection confirms load security before the trailer doors close.
Digital documentation creates complete shipping records for tracking and accountability.
Our face cream begins its journey to stores, where customers will discover healthier skin.
Production continues around the clock, maintaining a steady supply to meet customer demand.
Ongoing quality testing ensures every batch maintains our high standards throughout production. Regular maintenance keeps our equipment operating at peak efficiency and precision.
We recycle production waste, minimizing environmental impact while maintaining efficiency.
Continuous monitoring helps us reduce resource consumption and environmental footprint.
From natural ingredients to finished product, every step reflects our commitment to quality skincare.
This jar represents hundreds of careful steps and our dedication to skin health.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.